Can Callie play? So today we're at the farm and we're going to feed the animals and we are going to be so excited and we have these purple juices. Show your purple juice, Callie.
Ooh, let's go. Come on, guys. What's the first animal we found?
Yeah, found pigs.
You found pigs?
Yeah. They look like Peppa Pig.
Did they? Let's have a look. Hello, Mr. Pig.
That's a horse. And on the map.
There's a horse over there. Yes, there is.
Just go in. Can we feed them?
I don't think we're allowed. We'll feed the pigs. Let's see if we can feed some animals over there because the rest of the farm's over there.
It's Santa.
He's staring at you.
Yeah.
Maybe he likes you.
And Caden. Hello, Piggy. Hello, Piggy.
He's a bit busy, isn't he? What's he busy doing? It's not disgusting grass. That's his food.
Long tail.
His long tail. Let me see. He's got a long tail. Oh, he had a big poo. Look at his nasty poo next to him.
Yeah, poo there. Is that his poo that he does?
Sure is, yeah. Can you see the flies on the poo? That's what I always say to you guys. Flies like poo. See them?
Yeah.
It's flies on the poo poo. Green flies. Ew.
Look at the bee on the flower.
Okay, slow down. We're going to cross the road now.
When it's morning, the hens do this. They do this.
That's a cockerel that does that. There's a chicken here.
Yeah. Chicken. Let's go inside.
Before we go inside, look behind you. Look behind you, guys. What's behind you? Wow, what's over there? How cute are they? Aren't they cute, guys? They're little ponies. Callie, how many ponies do you see?
One, two, three. I see 3 ponies.
3 ponies. Let's see. Are you right? 1, 2, 3. And at the back, what are those animals at the back behind the ponies? What animals is that? Yeah, I don't know, little lambs or sheep, yeah. These ponies are too cute though, aren't they? Let's go inside the farm. So we're inside the farm. Let's come over here, okay? Let's see what animals want to get out. Look.
We can't find any hamsters.
Oh, there's guinea pigs in here.
Oh, we can find the pig. You like pigs?
Where are the guinea pigs, Kay? Where are the guinea pigs, Callie?
Yeah,
I'm finding a hamster.
There's a guinea pig. Oh, he's in there. He's hiding.
Oh, I can see
I can't get him out, sweetheart. I'm not allowed.
quite cute.
More chickens. Chickens.
Go
Quack, quack, quack,
inside
quack.
there. Go inside.
We're gonna go inside. Come on then. Are you sad because you want to feed the chickens?
Yeah.
But the lady said no, baby. What's happening, Mrs. Chicken? Hey, Mrs. Chicken.
I must have Happy Chicken.
Look, the goat's coming to say hello. Look, Callie, come closer with me. Hello. You like it? What should we call the goat?
Goat son.
Goat son?
Yeah.
Oh, he's so cute. Guys, what does it say? Fun facts. In their natural habitat, they roam mountaintops and reach as high as possible. The pupils of goats' eyes are rectangular and they have excellent night vision. What happened, Callie? Tell the camera.
He come out of his house.
Which one?
That one, the white one, the fluffy.
The fluffy one who came out of his house. Hello, Mr. Goat.
There's the goat.
Hello, Mr. Goat. He's coming to say hello. Oh, I haven't got any food out to feed you, Mr. Goat.
Yeah, but
Hello. Can you see that eyes? Why are you touching that? That's a stinging nettle, darling. Stinging nettle stings you. Did it hurt you? Show me where it stings. Well, yeah, it's a stinging nettle, baby.
Let's go find.
Caden stung his finger on a stinging nettle, everybody. This was a stinging nettle. That's why you mustn't just reach out and touch things because you don't really know what they are.
I sting my finger.
You stung your finger. What did you do? You touched a stinging nettle.
Yeah.
You thought it was a plant you could feed to the goats, and then you touched it and realised that, oh, it's a stinging nettle and it stung your finger, didn't it? Did it hurt, Caden? Show me what happened. Show me. And then the lady got us a wet paper towel. She said that will help cool it down. Is it cooling it down a little bit? No, a little bit. Ooh. Did you stroke it? Did you stroke it, Callie? Wow. But that one's coming over as well. Oh. Hello.
That's the little one.
Yeah. Oh. She just scared it away. Horsey. Horsey. Oh, I think she's sad now because she was pushed away. We now know, Caden, don't we, that we must not touch these plants because these are stinging nettles. You see this leaf here? This might look innocent, but these plants are called stinging nettles, and if you touch it, it leaves a horrible stinging feeling on your finger, which is what you're now experiencing, isn't it? Okay, so we mustn't touch stinging nettles. Red flowers here, purple flowers, some white flowers. Look at all the poo-poo over there. There's the horse poo-poo. Here, look at all the horse poo-poo. Gross. Yeah. And there's more horse poo-poo there. Gross. Oh,
The fly like that eat poo-poo.
yes.
Yeah, and they eat
Look, the sheep's coming to say hello, Caden. Hey. Oh, look. It's a big horse.
Bam bam.
You can see his bum bum.
Yeah.
The horse.
Yeah.
Yeah, can you see the poo-poo that he makes as well? The big poo-poo under there. Gross. Right, we have to get around this corner. Let's be brave explorers. Come on.
We had a nice day at the farm. You had a nice day at the farm. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to put your big thumbs up for this video.